Where's Piper? Daisies! Whoa, where's Piper? There she is. Hi, baby girl. It's Piper. Where'd she go? Psst. I see you. Psst. I see you. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. I'm here with baby Piper, and she's just hanging out down here with her little blanket. Uh-oh, where did your passy go? What did you do with it? I see it. You want your passy? And she just woke up from a nap, so she's like in a really good mood. You want your pacifier now? Where's it at? I know, I'm teasing her. Here you go, baby girl. So she's got her little pacifier. I'm getting ready to get her a snack in a bottle. She is still in her little PJs from this morning, but that's okay because they're really cute. They're like little flannels, but they're short sleeves. And she's got her sweet little toes. We can see your little toes. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Is that funny? So I'm gonna get her a snack in a bottle real quick. Give her her little blanket back. You want this back? No. She's like, no, mommy. So she's kind of got a little messy hair, but yeah, we're gonna get her a little bottle. So we'll be right back. I've got her little pillow down here. Are you ready to eat a bottle? Can you stand up on your own? Let's see if we can lift you up. What a big girl. She's stretching. Whee! Yeah, she's too tired. She's like, Mom, I just woke up. I'm not into that right now, but we can lay her down on her little pillow, and then I'm gonna get her a little bib, and we'll get her a little bottle. Be right back. All right, let's get you a little bib on so we don't get you all messy. Say we can't see your pretty smile with that passy in your mouth. Can I take that from you for a minute? Can I have it? Thank you. Okay, there's the face that we're used to. That little smile. She's such a happy girl. Okay, so I got her little bottle all made up, and I got it warmed, so it's really warm. And then we will start feeding this sweet little baby girl. You ready to eat? Chugga, 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 chew, chew. Here you go. Yum, yum, yum. There we go. We got her little bottle. She's got about 4 ounces in here. So she'll finish this pretty quick. All right, guys, she is almost done. She'll be all set. So you get your tummy fulls. Is your tummy full? Are you done? You don't want any more? Okay, we'll save this for a little bit. Yeah, I can always tell when she's not super hungry because then she just plays with her bottle. And it ends up spilling everywhere. And we don't want to make a mess and stain all her stuff up. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take her little bib off. Here we go. Whee! Did you get full? So she left about, I would say about an ounce left in there. So she didn't finish all of it, but that is okay because we are still growing. She's been really doing good at standing up, so I want to show you guys how good She's trying to like stand up on her own. Are you ready to show them how you can stand up? Here we go. Let me move this little pillow out of the way. Show everybody how you are standing up. Grab her little hands. Can you walk? Look at you. Is that fun? We can sit down and stand up. And then we sit down again. Yes, we do. And we stand up. And then we sit down. And then we stand up. She's wanting to do this all the time when I try to hold her. She's on my lap, just constantly wanting to stand up. So that's a really good sign. It seems like she's real interested in trying to stand up and stuff. Okie dokie, guys. We are getting ready to go pick up Riley from Mother's Day out. So I'm going to go ahead and get her in her car seat. And we're going to go get Sissy. Get her. There you go. So I'm going to get her strapped in real quick. All right, let's get you strapped in so you're all safe. I'll buckle these up here. And then I'll get this bottom part. There we go. Let's tighten it up in the back. There we go. There we go. She's all strapped in. And I'll get her something on her feet and then we'll go. All right, so I've got some little cute unicorn booties that I'm gonna put on her. So I think this one goes in that little foot. This one. There we go. We got little unicorns on there. And then I will get a little toy for her to play with and snuggle with, and I think we should be good to go. Hop, 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 hop. We got a little bunny here. Hop, 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 hop. And this actually will attach right here. So she can play with that and look at her. And then it's got a little teether that she can put in her mouth and play with this little bunny while we go. And I don't think it is really cold enough for a blanket, but I'm going to bring one with us just in case. So I'll just fold this up, take that with us. Diaper's good. And we just ate. Uh-oh, what'd I do with her? There's her passy. And then we have a little pacifier here. All right, guys, we are all set to go get Riley. And yeah, I guess we're gonna leave it here. You wanna say bye to them? Say bye-bye. We're gonna go get Sissy. So we'll see you guys later. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.